Our awning windows are open and closed by a single chain or double chain winder, depending on the sash's height, width and weight. This short video will show a single chain winder. The instructions will apply to an awning window with a double chain winder. If the winder is key lockable, check the locking indicator. Red means the window is locked and green means it's unlocked. Unlock the awning window. Unfold the small handle. Then rotate it clockwise to open the sash to the desired position. Close the window by reversing the previous steps. You now know how to open and close an awning window correctly.